Hey y'all, welcome back to another day. I got y'all sitting down because I'm driving to work. I just really wanted to come in and start off by saying, thank God for another day. For three, I wanted to throw a disclaimer that I did do two declutter videos on my new SD card that I bought, and it's a smart card, and it's like 1024 storage room. And when I went to import it to my Mac so that I could start editing it for another video, y'all, it will not read. My Mac will not read that SD card. And we spent all night, well, not all night, but we spent at least a good hour or so trying to figure out why it wouldn't. Like, we typed in that SD card into Google and all that stuff, like, and no matter what we do, it was not readable. Like, for whatever reason, it just wasn't readable. So the declutter video that y'all will see, one through the vlog and two like half cut off or starting in the middle, because I don't know how to get it off. I don't know how to get it off. And the other one that I said was going to be on a vlog, like, I was using my vlog camera and my DSLR. And good thing I did do a couple of clips on my vlog camera, because I literally, messing with the other camera, I can't get it off. Like, when I put the SD card into the Mac, it doesn't come up. Normally when you're doing that, when you put a SD card in there, it'll pop up. As soon as you put the SD card on there in the Mac and it starts reading, it'll come up and all the clips will come up. It won't come up. That's what's been going on behind the scenes. Again, I'm headed to work. It is raining. It's been raining since yesterday, but it's supposed to be bringing in like a cold front, which I cannot wait. Is she finally having a car? Yeah, I am sitting here watching the Marshall family. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but I'm sitting here watching their baby shower. Well, I'm actually listening to it. But it looks like, I could have swore they were doing, when they did the gender reveal, I could have swore it was a boy, but I guess she has nothing but boys. But I thought it was a boy, but I guess now she's finally having a girl. I gotta go back and watch it. But I will pick you guys up later when I get off.